loud and extra. So we are going to sing for them and then they know what they are supposed to do. Okay? Ready? So 1, 2, sing.
Guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I hope you're having a bang of a time. It's my pre-birthday. Oh, and this is what I wore to church today, as you can see in the previous videos above this. But anyway, we are going to be doing, well, my sister is going to be doing my makeup, and we're going to be taking some photos. So I'm going to be having a series of photo shoot, so you'll see that in a few. Love you guys. Welcome to the video again. Mwah.
Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
That one, yeah. That one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shakay. This is Shashan. This is Taylor. And
subscribe to the channel. Subscribe.
So yes, people are
You like my dress? I like the dress. It's so colorful.
My channel.
I'm sorry.
I joke.
It's so colorful.
Where are you from?
They're not seeing under me. I'm just showing them how the colorful dress is.
They can't see it up here, so you just want to lift up your clothes. You Taylor,
a lie.
such a bad child.
Burp.
Bad child.
Anyway, Taylor's gonna work on the makeup. The edges. Come.
The bad edges that don't stay.
The bad edges. Taylor, you never see me hairstyling for the past weeks. No. When my sister make my edges them stay, and it's not no got to be glue.
What she use?
Talk up to my sister.
Gel?
This?
No, as in the
Eco gel.
Eco gel. Oh.
Yeah, but that not gonna work here now. So come.
My bad.
She did just sketch up my hair. Kemi did actually like it. Right now I feel like I'm gonna do it again.
What?
The hairstyle them. If I pull up my cane right,
She just in it says VH. Hold on, wait. I'm coming to talk to you around here, so go and do nothing.
wow. No, sir. My daughter have used. I will teach you. Tell the people them, Sam. I'm a teacher.
And she teach me. I'm self-taught.
It's alright. It's alright. So, Brianna would have agreed to me, Sammy teach you.
I'm self-taught. So yeah guys, that's the makeup for today. I'm gonna get my picture on. Come Taylor. Hey.
Nobody touched my power bank. I wanted to go.
I charged my phone. I charged
You see my father.
I wanted to go live.
Come.
You can put mom in there because you want the food with.
Mommy. See, this is what it looks like. Me confused. I'm confused. What do you mean?
That hairstyle can go to school?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Put ribbon in there.
Me not have no ribbon. Me have ribbon.
No, they don't encourage her.
I have ribbon. Me just not a little one. Me have a big one then.
Shade that's still on your ribbon. Grow up.
I wear ribbon.
You think she care? Because they're so bright. Alright, next pose. Girl, you're supposed to continuously move.
So they say picture supposed to take.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Angle it. Angle it. Ow!
Yeah.
Angle it.
Keep it going.
Woo.
I think I have about much. I think I have enough right now. I don't get no picture with you.
Yes, guys, we had to change cameras. We ran out of space.
Come
Welcome
girl,
to
thumbnail.
vlog again.
Come shade, thumbnail.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Love you.
Click that bell button. Ding, 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 ding.
Bye.